How to use the Aristorm S Shaping Machine to shape your body at home. There are 4 handles for the Aristorm S Shape. Decapitation handles are used for abdomen, arm, and leg shaping. The 2 small handles are EMS and L handle and are F section handle, which are used for facial lifting and anti-aging. For body shaping, we need to use decapitation handles. Before using cavitation, we need to apply gel to the operation area first. The gel can act as a medium to transmit the energy of cavitation to the fat layer and achieve fat blasting. Weekly treatment is the most practical for most people, but treatment twice a week for people who want faster results is equally effective. Treatment of the stomach for 15 to 40 minutes is enough, while treatment of the back of thighs or front of thighs may take a total of 30 to 80 minutes for both legs, to by 15 minutes up to by 40 minutes in total.